Kara! Yum yum. Yum yum. Eat your cake. Ah. Eat your cake. Ah. Yummy. Happy birthday. Yum. Some milk to wash it down. Luke, you want some? You want a bite with your mouth too? Okay. You can take a bite. Oh, sorry. Here, Luke, take a bite. Take a bite. Sure.
Don't stick it back in there.
Gross.
Nikki, once you lick it, don't put it back in, okay?